Welcome to Golden Life for Seniors, your trusted space for wisdom, wellness, and lifelong inspiration. If I could sit down with my younger self and share one truth, it would be this: your strength is not just in your body, it is in the choices you make every day. Does it feel like your legs aren't as steady as they used to be? Like climbing stairs, or even standing up from your favorite chair takes more effort than it once did? You're not alone, my friend. Millions of seniors experience this silent shift, but here's the good news. It's not an inevitable part of aging. In fact, with the right nourishment, your muscles can regain strength, vitality, and the power to support you for years to come. Today, we're talking about the best foods to rebuild muscle even if you're over 80. These aren't fads or quick fixes. These are time-tested, science-backed choices that have helped countless seniors like you reclaim their strength. And trust me, once you see how simple and delicious they are, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. But first, let's understand why muscle loss happens. It's not just getting older. Research shows that after 60, we can lose up to a third of our muscle mass even if we eat well and stay active. Some call it sarcopenia, a quiet thief of strength. Others blame nerve loss or conditions like diabetes. But here's what matters. It's never too late to nourish your muscles back to health. One study found that 91% of adults over 70 regained noticeable muscle in just 6 weeks. No extreme diets, no magic pills, just the right foods. And today, I'll share them with you. Number 1. Eggs. A humble egg is a powerhouse for seniors. The yolk, packed with leucine, an amino acid that sparks muscle repair. The whites, pure, easy to digest protein, plus vitamin D and B12 for balance and strength. Choose pasture-raised eggs when you can, their nutrients are richer. And forget the old fear of cholesterol. Research now shows eggs support heart health, too. Number 2. Lentils and beans. These plant-based gems are full of protein, iron, and magnesium, key for muscle energy. 1 cup of lentils gives you 18 grams of protein. They are also slow digesting, so you stay energized longer. Try them in soups or salads, but skip the canned versions with added salt. Your muscles deserve the real deal. Number 3. Brown rice. Not all carbs are created equal. Brown rice is a steady energy source, rich in magnesium and B vitamins for muscle function. Studies show seniors who eat complex carbs like brown rice keep more muscle and feel less tired. Pair it with beans or fish for a complete muscle-building meal. Number 4. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. These are treasures for your muscles. Their omega-3 salts fight inflammation, a hidden cause of muscle loss. One study found seniors gained over 2 pounds of lean muscle just by adding omega-3 salts daily. Aim for wild-caught fish twice a week. Your heart and muscles will thank you. Number 5. Pumpkin seeds. Tiny but mighty. These seeds are loaded with magnesium and zinc minerals many seniors lack. Magnesium helps muscles contract, zinc aids repair. Sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal for a crunchy boost. Number 6. Tofu and tempeh. Think plant protein can't build muscle? Think again. These soy foods contain all 9 essential amino acids, just like meat. Tempeh even has probiotics for better nutrient absorption. Try marinating tempeh in a stir-fry. It's hearty, flavorful, and kind to your muscles. Number 7. Avocados. Creamy, delicious, and a secret weapon for nutrient absorption. The healthy fats in avocados help your body use muscle-supporting vitamins like D, and E. Slice one on whole grain toast, or blend it into a smoothie. Number 8. Flax seeds. Ground flax seeds are a senior's best friend. Their lignans help balance hormones, and they improve blood flow to muscles. Stir a tablespoon into oatmeal or yogurt daily. And finally, my favorite, oats. A warm bowl of oatmeal is comfort food with muscle benefits. Steel cut or rolled oats provide slow-burning energy and fiber. Boost them with Greek yogurt, flax seeds, or berries for a meal that fuels your body and soul. Now, a special note for you. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life for Seniors and join our wonderful community. Together, we're proving that age is just a number and vitality is a choice. Asterisk. Thank you for spending this time with us. If this video touched your heart, please give it a like. Share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to join our Golden Life community. New videos every week crafted for your mind, body, and soul. Until next time, take care and stay golden.